Welcome back to another episode of the Daily ASIN Teardown, powered by PickFu. Johnny with PickFu here. Is your dishwasher still full? Did you forget to load it last night, or did you forget to turn it on? Go ahead and turn it on. We're going to wait for you to start this video to make sure your dishwasher is nice and crisp and clean. Okay, either you did it or you didn't get up and do it, and that's fine. What are we looking at here? So let's take a look at the image stack, because it got a lot of variations here with sizes, but let's look at the main hero image. So this is automatic dishwasher pods. Okay, and this is a tangy and refreshing tangerine with lemongrass. So tangy and refreshing. I'm not eating these. This is more about scent. Can tangy and refreshing really talk about scent? Maybe refreshing? I don't know. It sounds like something I have to eat. Squeeze me for fragrance. Like squeeze me? Formulated for standard and European models. Cool. The 12 is very, very small. The scent profile, I'm not going to say flavor profile. Hey, you guys remember when people were eating actual Tide Pods? Remember that was the thing? People are crazy. So this is basically a scent profile. It's not large. It's not telling me clearly what it is. I mean, it does say it technically says automatic dishwasher. If I pan out to here, that's the first thing I see. I don't see pods. I don't see the pods themselves. So there's a lot I'm left looking to find. I take a look at the back. Let's go back into the photo stack. You just show me the back of the product. Well, that's okay. I mean, tell me a little bit more. Don't just show me the back of the product. Tangy and bright. How is something tangy? Is it tangy? Almost refers to like a taste. So you're showing me this. The text is very, very blurry. I feel like this image is too small, and I can't really read any of this down here. And this is on desktop. Proudly made in the USA. Okay, you're made in the USA, but you should triple down on that, because in the title, you don't say made in the USA. The packaging, I don't see made in the USA. I only see that down here. And always use red, white, and blue for when we're talking about made in the USA. Even if someone can't read, they see red, white, and blue in the flag colors. They know what that is. This image is very, very, very small. Ethical and responsible cleaning. How? How is it ethical? What makes it ethical and responsible? So responsibly sourced ingredients. How? Cruelty-free, never tested on animals. That's self-explaining. But responsibly sourced. Like, tell me more about how. Are you just saying that? How is it responsibly sourced? Hypoallergenic. Do you talk about that over here? Hypoallergenic. You don't put hypoallergenic in here. You don't have hypoallergenic on your main hero image. So you have some interesting things, right? Like made in the US and hypoallergenic, but you're not talking about them clearly. Plant-based formula for a greener clean. Okay. This is more brand story module kind of stuff, which is great to see. But again, very, very wordy. I'm not reading all this. And I don't expect shoppers will either. But the biggest thing here we're missing, I still don't see the pods. Not one image here shows me the actual pod. I need to see that. I'm not eating it. Don't worry, but I need to see it. This is an FBM offering. That's why I was clicking around before, because I think probably some of them. Yeah, this is a 1P offering, but just different sizes and different scents are probably still being worked out. So it is a 1P offering, which is interesting. Bullet points, they're a little light, but they're pretty good. But you're not telling me why you're better than the competition. What makes you better than Cascade? What makes you better than Finish? What makes you better than Cascade and Finish? Seem to be the big guys over there. What makes you better than them? And if it's the eco-friendly stuff, right, why is that not cleared in my face over here? But even if you take a look at these guys, they're showing the pods. Even Amazon Basic shows the pod. Why are you not showing the pod? Show the pod. Show the pod. Come back down here, brand story module. We got nothing. There's zilch on here. Where's the product description? Is there no product description? What? All right, let's go to a different colorway. Let's go to this one. Let's go tangerine with lemongrass. Okay, so still kind of the same thing. Maybe that was an older listing. This is a little bit better. Again, red, white, and blue for made in the US. You always want to show that. I don't know what true transparency means. Show me, don't tell me. This is very wordy. Most people aren't going to read this. different other options over here. I don't think you need the simple steps to use. I think people will know how to use a dishwasher pod. I think this is better to show why you're better than the competition, to be quite honest with you. So why are you better than the Cascade, the Finish, all that kind of stuff. Bullet points on this one are still kind of the same. Oh, okay, good. We did get a brand story module and stuff like that. Good. I like this. Revolutionize your home care. Is home care hyphenated? I like this. This is why is this not in your image stack? These are good images. You're showing the pods all over the place in this. These are great, but you're not showing them in your image stack. Those are good images. Automatic dishwasher, detergent pods, okay. And then you show them over here, but then you stop showing them in any place that really mostly matters. Made from essential oils. What is that a picture of? It almost looks like broken glass, but I think it's like a flower on top of a flower silhouette on top of a jar, like an essential oil jar. Show the real stuff. You show red, white, and blue here, which is good. Show made in North America. That probably means, so is it made in North America? Is it made in North America or is it made in the USA? See, so now we say made in USA with domestic and imported components. You got to keep your continuity. Now we say North America. When I see made in North America, sometimes that means Canada or Mexico. So if you show the American flag, say USA, don't say North America, because if it's North America and it's Canada, that's fine. Or if it's Mexico, that's fine, but don't show the US flag. It's a little kind of deceiving. There's a lot of things, even this over here, there's not a lot of crawlable text down here. So if I go here and pull up, let's say I pull up the Cerebro for this. Let's take a look. Shout out Helium 10 for some data on this video. So about 2,700 organic and about 447 paid. Let's take a look at search volume. So laundry detergent, that's not what it is. Dishwasher pods, 366,000 searches a month. It's paid to be 33, organic 43. That's pretty good. Let's move this over here. So dishwasher cleaner, 34 paid, 232 organic. Right now, if I take a look at dishwasher cleaner, if I go back to your listing, will I find the phrase dishwasher cleaner on your listing? No. So how can you expect to rank for it better if you don't put it there? If you don't put it, if you build it, they will come. So dishwasher detergent, paid 36, organic 102. If I go to your listing, let's see. Nope, you don't say it at all. Oh, here's your description, like down here. You still don't say your description. So these are 100K and up searches a month that you're paying to be super high, but you don't have the SEO on your product page. So if you're paying to be there, why would you not want to focus on your SEO to organically be there as well? Those are just some things to look at. Let's take a look at the alt text. So you're doing alt text, you're just not doing it good. Less plastic, dishwasher detergent, typos, misspellings, Spanish phrases. How do you say dishwasher pods in Spanish? And it's not el dishwasher, el pods. Believe me, I Googled it. So these are ways on how you're able to capitalize on your competition. You have to have your main image be super compelling, super interesting, all that kind of good stuff. But kids, I came with the receipts, as Johnny always does. I ran the PickFu. So although I did run a PickFu a little bit differently this time, I took it upon myself to go ahead and change the image on how I see fit with my Canva and PickFu skills. Landslide doesn't even accurately describe this. So I took their original one and I did what I did. I do's what I do's. So if you take a look here, I added, I don't know why that arrow came up there. I didn't mean to put that there, but it didn't matter anyway. I put a 60 pack because this is a 60 pack and you cannot really tell. It just says 60 loads, very, very small. This you see very clearly. I added the elements of the tangerine and lemongrass to make it look refreshing. Because if you hate tangerine smelling stuff, you're not going to want people to click on it and then find out it's tangerine after the fact. And then if it was a paid ad, there goes your ACOS, there goes your tacos, there goes your mortgage. You can't pay your bills because you're going bankrupt from bad PPC. I'm just kidding. Hopefully. But the other thing too is I just Googled some images of some powder pods. Now this is probably, it might be what the pod looks like. They didn't have any image of the pods on the listing at all that I could actually grab. But you see how I just show the pods and how much better this image looks. And you can see for yourself, not even one person voted for this one. And the people that did this, they said, looks more safe and natural. The product smell. Pods may not look attractive, but I still want to see what they look like. The added flair of the fruit and tablets in the picture, visually appearing, the oranges and whatnot make the detergent seem fresh. If you look at the bottom, it adds a bunch of visual interest. The top choice tells me how many pods are in the pack. So forget about testing against other people, right? Before you test against other people, you want to make sure you have a good image to go with. This is what we're doing, folks. We're doing God's work. No, I'm just kidding. We're just giving people what they need to know. That's really it. Give the people what they need to know and you'll never go wrong. If you guys like this video and you want to know more about it and you don't want to do it yourself, we got you covered. PickFu done for you. We're able to do all this stuff for you. You give us your images. We run the polls for you. You got too much to do on your hands. Let us handle that kind of stuff. We'll run the polls. Our graphic designers are experts in CTR. We'll go ahead and affect the CTR for you by giving you a better main image. You just upload it. We literally had a client that came to us. We changed just his main hero image. He doubled sales within 72 hours. No fooling, no kidding, no jokes, no silly geese here. If that's compelling, drop a comment, drop a like, shoot me a DM, send me a Hogwarts owl, whatever floats your boat. But that's it for me, guys. Tomorrow we'll have the next episode out and we'll keep on trucking. Guys, it's Wednesday. Happy hump day. Love you all. Peace.